Johnny Depp is one of the most gorgeous men in Hollywood. His talent, eccentricity, sex appeal, and comedic personality has charmed a lot of gorgeous, high-profiled women. During his lawsuit against Amber Heard, everyone was shipping him to his amazing lawyer Camille Vazquez. But now it seems that we were all duped by Johnny Depp because we were looking at the wrong attorney when he unintentionally made Camille Vazquez famous through a staged romance. When the truth was staring every one of us square in the face, Depp and his other attorney were already a couple right under our noses, and they recently made it official. But when you took a closer look at all the video and photos, the proof was clearer than you may have imagined. The primary attorney who defended Johnny Depp during his UK trial against Amber Heard was Joelle. Although she wasn't a member of the US trial team, she was present the entire time. Joelle works for the same legal team as the actor's attorney. Hi, welcome to YouWannaWatch, and in this video, we're going to talk about who is Johnny Depp's girlfriend. All about Joelle. Joelle's biography. Joelle was born in the United Kingdom to parents of British descent. It is unknown when she was born, however, it is believed that she was born between the years 1983 and 1985. Her secondary education was completed at North London Collegiate School in Edgware, where she graduated with honours. It was a private day school that only admitted female students during the school day. Following that, between 2003 and 2006, she attended the University of Birmingham to pursue a law degree. She expanded her education by enrolling in a legal practice course at BPP Law School, where she also studied. When it came to electives, she decided to concentrate her studies on media and entertainment, intellectual property, and commercial and private acquisitions. Finally, in 2007, she graduated from this institution with a law degree. Joelle was a student at North London Collegiate School, an independent day school in the United Kingdom catering to young women between the ages of 4 and 18. She attended the University of Birmingham and earned a law degree there between the years of 2003 and 2006. Between the years 2006 and 2007, she received her legal education at BPP. Career. She quickly found work at the prestigious law firm DLA Piper after receiving her degree in 2007. She worked as a solicitor in the legal field for nearly 3 years from August 2008 until July 2011. Since she was offered a position at Schillings, she decided to resign from her previous position. This is another law firm, and it is comparable to DLA Piper in many ways. She became an employee of Schillings in August 2011 and has continued to do so until the present day. Since she joined the organization over 11 years ago, she has held the position of partner. Given her legal background, she has a wealth of experience representing clients in libel, privacy, and copyright cases. Furthermore, she is very effective at protecting their clients' reputations from false and slanderous accusations. In fact, she has been successful for the company's clients in a significant number of important instances over the years. She is well known for her involvement in Johnny Depp's libel suit against The Sun. However, Johnny Depp, the company's client, was unsuccessful in his legal claim against the newspaper corporation. She received a Silver Award for Future Leader Initiate of the Year at the 𝗔𝗹𝗹 Future Leaders 2021 Awards in recognition of the significant contributions she has made to the community. Awards and accolades. Joelle was a finalist for the Spears Wealth Management Awards 2021 Future Leader in Private Client Services Award and won the Silver Award for Future Leader Initiative of the Year at the 𝗔𝗹𝗹 Future Leaders 2021 Awards. Joelle also received the 𝗔𝗹𝗹 Future Leaders 2021 Award for Future Leader Initiative of the Year. Johnny Depp and Joelle's history. In 2018, Joelle and Johnny Depp met after the attorney joined the Pirate of the Caribbean star's legal team in his lawsuit against The Sun. The High Court of Justice ruled 2 years later that The Sun's article was not libelous because Heard's allegations were substantially true. According to a source, the actor discreetly met with his lawyer in hotels at the start of their courtship. When Joelle met Johnny, she was estranged from her husband Jonathan Rich, according to an insider. The UK native, who has 2 children with Jonathan, is divorcing him more than a decade after they married in 2011. Joelle is a lawyer at Schillings Partners, is said to have represented Meghan Markle in her 2018 case against the Mail on Sunday newspaper. The Duchess of Sussex was suing the publication's publisher at the time for publishing a private letter she sent to her father, Thomas Markle. Meghan prevailed in court in December 2021. On her personal personal website, the lawyer stated that she has expertise in protecting individuals' privacy from unwarranted intrusion and media attention and has litigated libel, privacy, and copyright disputes. Joelle Rich is based in London, UK, where she is a partner at the international law firm 𝗔𝗶𝗵, per her LinkedIn. According to her bio on the company website, Rich helps individuals and families in the public eye protect their privacy and reputations and has expertise in libel, privacy, and copyright disputes. She works to defend clients' reputations against false and defamatory allegations in print, online, and on social media. Joelle's Instagram account, which is currently set to private, appears to be active as she has shared over 1,200 posts. Johnny Depp, for his part, joined Instagram in 2020 and created a TikTok account earlier this year in the aftermath of his defamation trial. According to Us Weekly reports that Joelle is a mom, sharing 2 children with her estranged husband. She shares that in common with Depp, who has 2 children of his own, daughter Lily Rose Depp and son Jack Depp, whom he shares with ex Vanessa Paradis. On September 22nd, Us Weekly revealed the Pirates of the Caribbean star's romance with Joelle Rich. Prior to his affair with his lawyer, Johnny was married to Amber Heard from 2015 to 2017. After 15 months of marriage, the actress filed for divorce and obtained a temporary restraining order against the Kentucky native after accusing him of domestic violence. The Nightmare on Elm Street star, who has denied the allegations, has been involved in several lengthy court battles since the UK. In a 2018 article, the newspaper The Sun referred to him as a wife-beater. Depp hired Rich to represent him in the libel suit at the time. 2 years later, the Oscar nominee lost his overseas case. Johnny Depp also sued his ex-wife Amber Heard in 2018 after she wrote an op-ed for The Washington Post. The 𝗔𝗯ance star claimed that Amber's article harmed his acting career. The Texas native, for her part, claimed that the high-profile split and their messy legal battles cost her jobs. After several weeks of testimony, a jury ruled in favor of Johnny Depp in June 2022. Shortly after the hearing, the musician addressed his reaction to the news. From the very beginning, the goal of bringing this case was to reveal the truth, regardless of the outcome, he said at the time in a statement to Us. Speaking the truth was something that I owe to my children and to all those who have remained steadfast in their support of me. I feel at peace knowing I have finally accomplished that. Johnny stated that he was overwhelmed by the outpouring of love, colossal support, and kindness he received during the legal proceedings. I also hope that, both in the courts and in the media, the position will now be innocent until proven guilty, he added. Later that year, Us revealed that Johnny had a romantic relationship with Joelle Rich. Their chemistry is off the charts, a source told Us exclusively in September 2022. It's serious between them. They are the real deal. The attorney was by Johnny's side during his defamation lawsuit, according to the source, who added, there was no professional obligation for her being there. It was personal. A new love story. Johnny Depp is dating Joelle Rich, a lawyer who represented him in his UK divorce. The couple have been hiding in plain sight for months. Despite not having any official role in the movie star's victorious defamation trial against ex-wife Amber Heard earlier this year, Rich was photographed at the Fairfax County Courthouse in Virginia nearly every single day of the weeks-long trial that ran from April 11th to June 1st. Joelle Rich would arrive with the Pirates of the Caribbean star, sit directly behind him in the first row, wave to his fans at the end of the day, exit the premises with him, and even leave in the same vehicle, according to numerous photos from inside and outside the courthouse. Joelle was seen leaning in and smiling as Johnny showed her something on his phone at one point. Though the lovebirds kept their demeanors toward one another professional, a source told that she was indeed there for personal reasons, mainly to support her man. It's unclear when their relationship became romantic, and reps for the actor could not be reached for comment. Fans were convinced the 𝗔𝗯ance star was secretly dating one of his U.S. attorneys, Camille Vazquez, despite her obvious presence during the highly publicized defamation trial. Their chemistry is off the charts, and Insider exclusively told Us Weekly of the Pirates of the Caribbean star and the attorney. It's serious between them. They are the real deal. Joelle Rich was one of the attorneys who worked on Johnny Depp's lawsuit against the United Kingdom. She was not part of the legal team that represented him in his defamation trial against ex-wife Amber Heard earlier this year after he sued the outlet for libel in 2018. She was present in the Virginia courtroom, however, to show her support for the Oscar nominee. There was no professional obligation for her being there. It was personal, the source added, and that the duo discreetly met up in hotels during the early stages of their romance. During his defamation trial against Amber Heard, rumors circulated that the Hollywood Vampires musician was dating one of the attorneys representing him in that case, Camille Vazquez. Later, the Southwestern Law School graduate slammed sexist rumors about her relationship with Johnny Depp. It's also an unethical charge being made, Camille said in June 2022. It's unfortunate and it's disappointing, but at the same time it kind of comes with with the territory. I can't say I was all that surprised. Johnny Depp's divorce from Amber Heard was the subject of two separate lawsuits filed by the Secret Window actor. The Kentucky native first filed a lawsuit against The Sun in June 2018 after the newspaper referred to him as a wife-beater in an article about his role in the Fantastic Beasts film series. The article cited previous allegations made by Heard detailing several instances of abuse prior to her 2016 divorce from Johnny Depp. Following delays caused by the coronavirus pandemic, the trial finally began in July 2020. The High Court of Justice of the United Kingdom ruled 4 months later that The Sun's article was not libelous because the 𝗏𝗏𝗄 star's claims about her ex-alleged husband's abuse were substantially true. We are nearing the end of our video, but before we proceed, we would like to ask you to please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel at www.youtube.com/𝗝cie/YouWannaWatch2022 and follow us on our Facebook page at www.facebook.com/YouWannaWatch. Any support you provide us will help us provide you with more and better content. Okay, now back to the story. The court denied Johnny Depp's request for an appeal in the case in March 2021. Joelle Rich said at the time that she seriously questioned the UK. The judge's decision was welcomed by her client, who expressed excitement about presenting complete, irrefutable evidence of the truth in the US libel case against Miss Heard, where she will have to provide full disclosure. The trial in the United States began in April, 3 years after Johnny Depp sued Amber Heard for an op-ed she wrote for The Washington Post in which she described herself as a victim of domestic violence. The jury ruled in favor of the 𝗔𝗯𝗃 actor in June, ordering her to pay her ex-husband $10.35 million in damages. After the jury determined that one of Depp's lawyers made one defamatory statement about her, Heard was awarded $2 million in compensatory damages. From the very beginning, the goal of bringing this case was to reveal the truth, regardless of the outcome, Depp said in a statement after the verdict was delivered. Speaking the truth was something that I owe to my children and to all those who have remained steadfast in their support of me. I feel at peace knowing I have finally accomplished that. What do you think about Johnny Depp and his girlfriend? Did we miss anything that you think should have been included? Let us know your thoughts by writing a comment on this video. If you're interested in our other videos, just hover over the videos and just press play. Until next time, watchers, thank you for watching our video.